Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Volvo XC90. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Volvo prioritized handling and performance with features such as leather upholstery, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, and power windows. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.